With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, the following is not an endothermic reaction. So out of these, you have to select the one which is not an endothermic reaction, right? Now, first of all, you should know that what is an endothermic reaction or an exothermic reaction, right? Now, endothermic reactions are those which require energy, right? Which require energy to proceed. So energy has to be given to the reactants to proceed to form products, right? Energy can be in the form of heat, it can be in the form of light, it can be in the form of electricity, right? So endothermic reactions, they require energy, they absorb energy. But if we talk about exothermic reactions, then exothermic reactions are those in which energy is released, right? In these reactions, energy is released. So this is the difference. Again, energy can be in the form of heat, it can be in the form of light, electricity, any which ways, right? Now, if we talk about combustion of methane, now combustion of methane is CH4. Combustion takes place in the presence of oxygen, right? In the presence of air. So basically in the presence of oxygen. And the products of combustion are carbon dioxide and water along with a large amount of energy. So combustion is an exothermic process because a large amount of energy is released here. When a hydrocarbon is burnt in air, that process is combustion, and when it is burnt in air, a large amount of heat is produced. You can observe that in your general lifestyle also, right? So hydrocarbons, when burnt, they lead to the formation of carbon dioxide, water, along with a large amount of energy which is produced. So therefore, combustion of methane is an exothermic reaction. This is an exothermic reaction and not an endothermic reaction. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is what we have as option 1, right? Decomposition of water is an endothermic process. Here, electrolysis of water is done, right? Electrolysis of water is done and H2 and O2 are formed, right? You can balance this reaction. You will get 2H2O, 2H2, right? So again, electricity is given to water. Therefore, this is endothermic. Dehydrogenation of ethane to ethylene. This is also endo, right? Here C2H6 is converted to C2H4 along with H2. So heat is required for this reaction, right? It requires energy in the form of light also, right? This takes place through the chain reaction. So it requires light actually. If not heat, you can represent it by light. So energy is required any which way. So this is endothermic. Talking about the last reaction, which is conversion of carbon of graphite to diamond, right? So again, you have a carbon which is in the graphite form, and you have to convert it into carbon which is in the diamond form. So again, you have to supply heat. So this is an endothermic reaction again. So the one which is not is option 1. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.